Biology is the best, better than the rest.
I don't mean to be rude, but how do plants make food?
Okay. Plants get energy through photosynthesis, and the chloroplast is where we put our emphasis.
In the chlorophyll, light reaction starts due. First electron moves the photosystem too.
Then it moves through the chains, hydrogen passes through. Hydrogen comes in, oxygen comes out. This is what making water is all about.
The electron moves into photosystem 1, and it gets its energy from the sun.
Mixed with NADP after more transport chains, NADPH leaves the thylakoid membrane.
Off hydrogen goes to the ATP synthase. ADP goes to ATP, then on to the next phase.
NADPH and ATP off to the stroma to produce glucose with a sweet aroma.
Five carbon compounds combine with CO2, then they split into two.
NADPH and ATP are then fused. 3 carbon compounds are then fused.
NADP plus and ATP go back to the start of the song, again to move photosynthesis along.
Photosynthesis is made to give plants all their might. This is a dark reaction and it doesn't need light.
Every single minute plants get this done. All they really need is some water and sun.
Photosynthesis is cool, but how do we get energy?
Cellular respiration.
You don't have to be a psychologist to understand glycolysis. In the cytoplasm is where it's located. With or without air is what's associated.
Aerobic is with, anaerobic is without. Either way, glycolysis can go either route.
ATP and glucose are applied. Without these two things, the process would die.
They're used to make 2-pyruvic acid and 4 ATP. ATP gathers with the carbon in the 3.
NADH is also made, and pyruvic acid does not stay.
Now on to the Krebs cycle. Without it, what would we do?
In the Krebs cycle, pyruvic acid is brought in. This is located in the matrix of mitochondria.
NADH is made from NAD+. The molecule CO2 is produced as a must.
Citric acid is made from acetyl CoA. The product of this combo makes the cycle grade A.
When 2 CO2 are released, 2 NADH are made. Energy is mixed carbon bonds that have stayed.
Products ATP, NADH, FADH2. Mixing electrons with the reactants is nothing new.
Without NAD plus pyruvic, ADP, and FAD, you can't move to the final phase, you see.
This just shows what 1 glucose can do when 6 CO2 and 8 NADH are produced.
In the ETC is where this transport happens. This is where I will begin rapping. Here we go on the electron transport chain. Aerobically, we can use H2O and oxygen today.
NADH and FADH2 help high energy electrons pass through. Once again, hydrogen passes through like a door hinge.
And in VTC, electrons combine. H plus ions and oxygen make water all the time.
H plus ions come through the synthase again to make ATP energy, my friend.
FADH2 back to FAD, and NADH2 NAD plus is a need.
This is how animals get their energy. Cellular respiration is used by you and me.
So as you see, 3 stages can go quite far. This is what keeps our body running like a car. So you can see cellular respiration is not quite different from photosynthesis.
Although the places are not alike, they both keep organisms moving like a bike.
The two make energy for roses, dogs, and even me.